For each of the following expressions, state the true or false whether it is a quadratic equation or not. We have expression A, B, C, D, E. We need to answer by true or false. Right. As a solution, first of all, we need to remind one another the general form of quadratic equation. The general form, the quadratic equation is in the form of a x squared plus bx plus c, which is equal to 0. Where this a, b, and c are a constant. They are constant. It means they are real numbers. And this h is different from 0. If a is equal to 0, this one is called a linear equation, not quadratic equation. Right, let us start by a now. Here we have 3x squared plus 9 square root of x minus 7, which is equal to 0. We have to check if this one is in this form we have here, the form of a quadratic equation. So this one, you see that this x is in the square root. Since it is in the square root, it is different from our x here. Also, I can write it as 3x squared plus 9x power 1 over 2 negative 7, which is equal to 0. Also, this one is different from the x you have in general form of quadratic equation. So, this one is not quadratic. So this expression is a false. So we have to answer false here. Number B. We have expression like x plus 2, which is squared. Now it is equal to 2 times x plus 3. At this time, this expression must be expanded to its general form of quadratic equation if it is quadratic. Now, by expanding the left-hand side, we have x plus 2 times x plus 2. And also, you can expand the right-hand side at the same time. We have 2 times x plus 3. You see, this x is going to multiply this x to have x squared. This x also is going to multiply this 2 to have plus 2x. This 2 times this x will be plus 2x. Then this 2 times this 2 will be plus 4x, which is equal 2 times this x will be 2x, then 2 times this 3 will be plus 6. Now you have to correct bracket terms. You see? If there are to correct bracket terms here you have x plus 2x plus 2x. This is for not 4x. Plus will be 4x. 2x plus 2x equal 4x, then plus 4, which is equal to x minus, plus 6. Right. By changing the side of those two terms here, you have x squared plus 4x, then minus this 2 x, then plus this 4, then minus this 6. Now it is equal to 0. Then here we have x squared plus 4x minus 2x is equal to plus 2x. Plus 4 minus 6 is equal to negative 6, which is equal to 0. Now, this one is a quadratic equation. Now, it is true. The expression we have here is true. Here we have expression, this one, number B, which is true. This expression, yeah, is true. Expression number C is like this one. Number C, we have x squared plus 3x, which is equal to minus bracket minus 1, no, minus bracket 1 minus 3x, which is squared also. So this one, we have to expand this one. We have x squared plus 3x, which is equal to negative 1 minus 3x times another 1 minus 3x. Trying to expand this one, this one is going to multiply each and every term in the second factor. So we have negative 1 times 1 is equal to 1. 1 times negative 3x, it is negative 3x. Now it is negative 3x times 1, which is negative 3x. Then negative 3x times negative 3x is equal to plus 9x square, which is equal to x square plus 3x, right? This negative is going to multiply and change the sign of the terms within the bracket. That's why we have here x square plus 3x, which is equal to negative 1 plus 3x. I mean, this is negative 6x, but this negative times this one will be plus, right? If you understand. Or before multiplying with this one, let me do all steps. Here we have bracket negative 1 minus 6x plus 9x square in bracket. Then I have to use this negative to have x squared plus 3x, which is equal to negative 1 plus 6x minus 9x square, right? Then I have to change the side, right? If I change the sides, here I have x squared plus 9x squared. Then I have plus 3x minus this 6x, then plus which is equal to 0. So by adding this one to this one, I have 10x squared minus 3x plus 1, which is equal to 0. You see, this one is in the form of quadratic equation with this, which one is B, this one is A, this one is a C. Now this is true. And the expression that we have on number C here, this C is true. This expression on C is true. Now let us see about D. You have x plus 2, you have x minus 1, which is equal to x squared minus 2x minus 3, right? Now I have to expand this one. If I try to multiply this x and this x, I have x squared, I have minus x. Then I have this 2 times this one, I have 2x. This is plus 2x, then minus, which is equal x square minus 2x minus 3. Sorry. X times x is x square, x times minus, yes, minus this x, then plus x is correct. Now, here I have x square plus x minus 2, because here there is minus 1x, which is equal to x square minus 2, x minus 3. Then I have here to correct like terms, where this x is going to come here to have x square minus x square, then plus x plus 2x minus this 2, then plus this 3, which is equal to 0. So this one and this one is simplified, or we have 0x square. So we have x, no, this is a 3x, have a 3x plus 1, which is equal to 0. You see? This one is not quadratic equation. This is not a quadratic equation because it is a linear. It is a linear equation. Now it is false. It means the expression number D here is a false, right? Then let us deal with expression number E. Number E is x cube minus x square plus 2x plus 1, which is equal to x plus 1, then power 3. We have to expand this factor. So now, since x minus 1 plus 1 cube is equal to x plus 1 times x plus 1 times x plus 1, we have 3 identical factors to be multiplied. Since you have this expression, we have to multiply this factor and this factor here. You see, here you have x times x, which is equal to x square. Then this x times 1 will be equal to x. Now it is plus x. I have this 1 times this x to be plus x. Then this 1 times 1 will be 1. Then times x plus 1. Remember that here you have x plus 1 power 3. Then here is equal to x square plus 2x plus 1. Then times x plus 1. That's why we are going to multiply also those two factors to have x square times this x, which is equal to x power 3, x square times 1, which is equal to plus x square. Then I have 2x times x will be plus 2x square, then plus 2x times 1 is 2, x plus 1 times x, which is x, plus 1 times 1, which is 1. This is x plus 1. Now, let us correct like terms. We have x plus x square plus 2x square is equal to 3x square. Then here we have plus 2x plus x will be 3x plus 1. This is x power 3, right? And remember that here we have this expression. Now, x power 3 minus x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to x power 3 plus 3x plus, this is square, plus 3x plus 1, like this one. You see, here you have x cube, here you have another x cube. Now you have negative x square plus 2x plus 1, which is equal to 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now, I have to take all of those terms on the left-hand side to have negative x square, negative 3x square plus 2x negative 3x plus 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. This negative and this plus 1 here. Now it is equal to negative x square minus 3x square, then plus 2x minus 3x, which is equal to, now I have to combine this one also to have negative 4x square, then minus 1x, which is equal to 0. Now, you see that this is A, this is B, and the C here is equal to 0. It is the same as having a negative 4x square minus x plus 0. My C is not there. Then this one is a quadratic. This is a quadratic equation. So my expression now is 2. My expression here is true. Now, question number 7. Before putting number 7 here, you see, my expression E is also true. Then question number 7. Question number 7 was like to list 3 types of correlation in statistics. And in statistics you have 3 types of correlation, which are, first one is the positive correlation. You have also negative correlation. We have also what you call zero or null or no correlation. So, thank you for watching this video, and I welcome you to visit Max TV next time to run with us by correcting the next questions from 8th, 9th, and 10th questions. See you next.